Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add items to your portfolio on the Collectr app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add items to your portfolio on the Collectr app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Collectr app. Next, click on Portfolio on the top left-hand side. First, choose the portfolio which you want to go ahead and add items to. So we're going to choose this portfolio titled RJ. Now, next what you're going to do is you're going to click on Portfolio on the bottom right-hand side. And then I normally like to go ahead and click on Search. And then you're going to start searching for products. So let's go ahead and find a Greninja. Now, when you search for a Greninja, what's essentially going to happen is because you're adding it to the RJ portfolio in the top left-hand side, you can switch between portfolios by clicking on the top left and switching like that. Then once you click on the plus icon next to a card, it should be added to your portfolio. So you can see here, we've just added the Greninja, and then in order to remove it, you've just got to hold it, click on the three dots, and then click on delete. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add cards to your portfolio on the Collectr app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next